Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. So out of the shop today, and we decided to do a little thing and add to our flock again. So we've got someone in here that needs to get introduced. Let's get at it. Say hello, little man. Let's get you out of there.
Oh.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
See, it's really pretty.
Come on out of there.
Are you gonna have to pick it up?
No, I'll let him come out on his own.
He's actually coming out right now.
Mm-hmm. Hey, big boy. Mm-hmm.
All the chickens are like, what is that?
Calm down.
Just another...
You good? Let's get you some water and food. How about that? Doesn't look like there's too much fighting. A little bowing up on the newest chicks, but they don't seem to be too aggressive towards each other. We're gonna let them stay out here like this for a few hours before I let them out together. I know who raised this one, so he is healthy, and they just had too many. So anywho, we'll let him go, get him some food and water, and let them get used to each other a little bit and see how it goes. So far, not many signs of aggression. The chicks, the black ones here, they're younger. They're about his age, so they've been a little bit more aggressive. The older girls, they've come check him out, but they don't seem to be too bothered by him. So hopefully that's a good sign. Right now he's eating and drinking and calming down, so I think he's gonna be happy around here. But yeah, he's got plenty of work to do. But anywho.
That means it really would. Really bad.
So I brought all the girls inside and have locked them up. And our new man over here is he's let out a few crows, but yeah, everybody so far is getting along. We're gonna leave him over here by himself for a couple hours anyways, let him get acclimated to the area and to the girls, and then we'll bring him inside the coop later tonight and see how he does. Hopefully we'll get him inside tonight so he can learn where his home is. But yeah, so far so good. Everyone getting along? Well, so far he's in the corner minding his own business, so we'll let this play out for a little while and see how it goes.
Hi, Big Moon. What you doing, Big Hugo? Hello, Big Huge. Yeah.
Well, there's been a couple dust ups. Nothing too crazy. The hens have kind of pushed him around a good bit, and he runs off. He doesn't. He's not showing any aggression towards them. I have a feeling he's going to have to set a couple of them straight over the next day or two for them to kind of fall in line with him. He may need to get a little older. He's fairly young still, so. But with that said, he seems to be learning from the hens right now where the food is and where the water is, so on and so forth. He's already been up in the coop and investigated that a little bit, so I think they're going to be all right. I'm going to keep a close eye on him here for the next couple hours and make sure he's not getting bullied too much, which is kind of funny considering his size. But yeah, he's quick to run away from him right now. But as it stands right now, they seem to be leaving him alone for the most part. But yeah, he has tried to mate with one of them, one of the Orpingtons, and they weren't having that, so he got ran off. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a learning experience, I'd say. Well, these girls have been a little on the feisty side with our new rooster. So we decided to bring this little pen that we separate the chicks typically in. And he had some little sore spots on his feet, so we went on and sprayed them down with wound care. And now we got him food and water in here, and we're going to keep him separate. Probably going to just keep him separate in here and not let the girls out of the run for a couple days maybe. Just give them time to get used to each other, and then we'll try this again. Because I don't see any point on letting them tear each other to pieces. But who knows, that might be the way it has to happen, because this is our first experience with a rooster, and we've got an established flock of hens that don't want to be told what to do. So we'll see how it works out. He may just need to mature a little bit more. He's bigger than all of them, but he runs from them all. He's not aggressive towards them at all, which is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing, because he's not taking his role just yet. He's not showing them that he is the boss of the coop. But I'm sure that will come naturally eventually. But like I said, we'll leave them separated. We'll let them spend some time together, and yeah, at least that way he's not getting bullied, which is like I said, kind of interesting considering his size. But yeah, we'll let him go, and we'll update you here in a few days and see how it goes. With that said, I'm gonna cut this off here. If you got any comments, questions, complaints, suggestions, drop them in the comment section below. We'll gladly take them. I try to answer any questions as quickly as I can. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. It helps us out quite a bit and doesn't cost you anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.